Dogs are afraid of loud noises like thunder or fireworks. How to handle. Dogs can become scared during loud noises like thunderstorms or fireworks due to their heightened sense of hearing or electrostatic shock. To treat them, they should be given a safe, quiet space with a soft bed where they can feel safe. Use calming music or white noise to mask the loud sounds. Remember to remove all metal objects nearby to avoid electrostatic shock to your pet. Offering distraction with treats, toys, or interactive games can also help keep their focus away from the noise. When your furry friend becomes anxious or fearful, hold them and pet them to help them regain their composure and feel more secure. Please consult your veterinarian if necessary.